Charlie Brown Christmas special in here. This is a mess.
Once again, leafy.
Yeah, well, that's another story. These days, between global warming and climate-controlled domes, we don't often get the old-school snowy football games like the Mark Henderson game in Foxborough a long time ago.
A week away from the 28-year anniversary of that famous Dolphins game, we had a couple games that needed to bust out the old tractor to see the yardage markers. No controversy, though. Just a lot of offense and the white stuff. FCS second round, Western Illinois taking on Appalachian State, the #1 seed. And Steve, they said an inch of snow and some flurries.
Time to get the old Doppler check that
It looked a little like Siberia, and they played some football. Appalachian State up 14-7. Quarterback Deion Presley calling his own number. Longest play in school playoff history, 89 yards. He had 264 on the ground. As a team, they rushed for 417 yards. So the running game opening up things for the passing in the snow. Presley to Brian Quick, 35 yards. Appalachian State wins 42-14. Next up, the defending FCS champ Villanova in the quarterfinals.
Pittsburgh sophomore Deion Lewis